Hi guys. So I'm done with most of the forest. There's only a few trees that need to be added. So at this point, so I can get trains running again, I'm gonna take off my access points so that I can give the layout and in particular the track a good cleaning. So the next time you see this, I'll probably have the little bits of plastic scurrying back and forth on the track. Anyway, I thought you guys might want to see how easily I can access this, because it looks like, well, it's mostly tunnels. Anyway, we'll get on with it. Right. So that's the layout. Completely naked. As you can see, my original plan was to do double tunnel all the way around, and I was going to leave, hold on, let me fix this so I can see what I'm talking about. I was originally going to do this area as just a mound, and it would have looked silly with this track running exposed. So I hid all of that instead and just went for one big hill. And because I was originally planning on just doing one tunnel over here, it's just a bit of Bristol board tacked on to cover up what was going to be an access point. And it's going to stay because it's so close there. I don't have room to put any styrofoam in. Anyway, so you guys get a high view. The highway overpass also will come out, so I got almost complete access to all the track. And over here, same thing. Originally, when I put this together, I was unaware that Cato had their viaduct in this radius. It's the 12 point something inches. So to hide bare track going over track, I just put all this in a tunnel. And again, I'm not dismantling the tripod, but there you go. So really there's a couple of inches here where I can squeeze a finger through to get at it for cleaning. That one's dead easy. I don't even bother with tunnel portals around back there. Over on this side, same thing, very, very short spots that I can't directly overhead access. There we go. And in the back, I haven't bothered with any tunnel portals because they wouldn't be seen. So, let me get this down a bit. So normally, with more trees placed here, you wouldn't even be able to really see that side anyway. There's a tiny bit of pink showing. And not the sort of pink we're normally discussing with nudity. Zoom in. There's a little bit showing there. Then I get some paint on while I've got stuff off. I'm just going to gray paint it. Anyway. Back out again. That's what it looks like when it's naked. Take it easy.